Yeah. All right, you guys, we are entering the trail.
That's yours.
And we are heading down off in here. Mahogany's up there recording as well.
You better call me Captain.
And let's go. We discovered this. We've been living over here 11 years and didn't even know this was all over here. By the lake.
By the lake. It's all about that footage, baby.
We didn't go that way yesterday. We don't want to get lost. Yeah. We're trying to make it through this. We're trying to make it through before it gets dark. Here we go.
Mom, you better find you a stick. Yeah.
Maha, you scared?
You do?
I remember yesterday you was spitting, it was flying backwards.
I'm tired.
Probably some bodies over there.
Oh, I ain't got no sim.
Looks like dumping ground some places. We starting this too late.
We normally get our sticks somewhere different. We usually have to find it. Yeah.
We're digging for something, y'all. Yeah. So this is off the trail.
You have to show Mahogany this. Down over here. You have to show Mahogany. She wasn't here. To the lake, guys. There's sticks over there if you want sticks. I don't know what you want. I like to play with the water as I come over here, Mama. So
Don't get too close. Mind, this where we was waving at you. Maddie messing with the algae. Looks like cotton. These might have been cotton trees.
we have a cotton tree in our backyard. That's algae.
Come on, let's go.
The dock over there. It looks like spinach algae. We're okay. This walk I need fun.
Maybe tomorrow. We started too late.
Somebody was on that phone. You trying to rush that?
You have to work. Yeah.
You're the reason why we came so late. Me? Yeah.
No, that's not the end, Mahogany.
You're not at the end. No, I know we're not at the end, but we're about to go up by the highway. Yeah.
There's different roads you can take and different hills if you have 3 or 4 wheelers.
Yeah, this is gonna be sandy.
Whoops. So we've come way down there. Halfway through. I got the stick. We're heading down the hill.
I know. Mine, that's you. Y'all are so goofy.
Oh my God!
No. It stinks. That's how you smell.
You know we lactose. Don't you do it.
Well,
made it. We ain't going. We gonna keep going. Whew.
I want to get on the dock.
Girl, for what? You want to do a TikTok or something? All right, so we've made it to the other side. Kids are down at the dock. But over there, in those trees, back off in there, is where we were walking on the other side of the lake. Nina, what's wrong with you? Some idiot rode on the sidewalk. What's wrong with you? Peanut! Peanut! What's wrong with you? He won't go see what us the kids is at.
Hey, come look.
Look at what?
That's nice, man.
That's
That's your bathroom?
Mm-hmm.
Maddie's doing, Mahogany's doing a bathroom makeover. Stay tuned.
I'm about to edit.
Slow
Peanut
His
down,
leg is
Maddie.
hurting. His leg is hurting. See?
Oh.
See, something got him.
Ran up on the wrong one. Oh no, he just wobbling, ain't he?
Somebody hurt his leg.
Oh, maybe she's pregnant.
Yeah, she might be pregnant. And she going too. Look at her.
Somebody hurt his leg.
Peanut! You tried it.
Not.
You tried it.
Peanut, you bet not.
Oh, he was
Don't
gonna go.
piece him up.
You're not supposed to have to go. They were going to fly and go into the water anyway.
No, they were going to piece him up. Last time they ran from me.
They'll just fly, go into the water.
Girl!
Their feet
That's
are-
nowhere near you. No, all them bugs? Oh. I'll walk through them then, I guess. No, because I won't.
May take it. Look, so I can take a picture for your teacher. Walking the dog.
Hey, let people know your routine.
You know, just around the bush, just around.
Daddy, want to race?
Why not?
Look at the little duck.
Oh, your mom's over there.
Oh,
That was a what?
reckless.
We're walking later. Street lights are on. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.